It's time to go shoot some epic landscapes. Got my backpack packed, as you would have seen in my last video, of what camera gear I'm going to do with traveling. Let's go travel. Man, so had little specks of dust in my shot when I was doing those landscapes and it was really pissing me off, so I'm gonna go clean that sensor. Alright, let's get into it. Welcome back, my friends. My name is Jason Morris. Today I'm going to show you how to clean your sensor. Got my D750 here. I'm shooting with the 7200 today and with the 5200 over there. Now, the one thing that you're going to need for this are the sensor cleaning solution and the swabs, because you're going to do 1 or 2 swipes on that sensor and it will be clean. As I would have noticed in a couple of my shots, I've seen a couple of specks of dust in there, which is really ruining my shots and it's absolutely bugging me, and I need this clean. I'm also going to clean some of my lenses as well, so just going to need some lens cleaner and a cloth. All you're going to do is spray it on the cloth once or twice, wipe it over, and you're done. Nice and simple. You don't want to just spray a whole bunch of water or lens cleaning solution onto the lens. You do it on this and just give it a nice quick rush over. Obviously use your jet cannon when you're doing that first. Spray it and then clean it. That is the best way you're going to get the dust off the front of the camera lens. All right, let's get into it, guys. So one of the first things that you're going to do is give it a bit of a blow with your rocket blower. So pick up the camera, turn it upside down, and try and blow some of that stuff out. Nice and basic. All right, now that we got it there, take out, actually, step number 1, you're gonna actually have to open the shutter. So we'll go into the menu, into the settings, lock mirror up for cleaning. Start. So it says when shutter release button is pressed, the mirror lifts and the shutter opens. So there we go. The mirror is open. I can't really see too, oh yeah, okay, I can see the dirt right in there. All right, so your battery is going to have to be relatively charged, otherwise the mirror isn't actually going to stay open. So this is what happens when, yeah, the battery isn't fully charged. Now, do not touch this with your hands. It's got to be nice and clean. Now, 1 drop of this on each side. Now, just give it a nice, quick, simple swipe across, and that's exactly what you're going to do. Take it to the sensor right at the end and give it a swipe right across. Lift it out and she is beautifully clean. Done. Switch off the off button. Boom. Locked up. Puts the lid back on and you're good to go. How easy is that? So simple. Now I'm going to show you how to clean the front of a lens now. Okay, so the sensor cleaning is done. That was nice, quick and easy. Now I'm going to do the front of my lens on my 24 to 70 2.8. So Easiest thing you're going to do, make sure this is nice and clean. Do not drop this in the dirt. If anything, give it a quick blow over, a quick shake. Try and get all the shit that's off on this off it, because you don't want to be wiping the front of the lens and scratching it. So give the lens a quick blow. Get as much of the stuff off as you can. That's good. Give it a couple of sprays. Nice and easy. Now, we'll just go on the front of the lens. Give it a nice clean. Voila. Just give it a blow. Nice. Use the dry part of this. Another run over it. And she's clean. The one thing you do not want to do is use your breath or blow on it, because there's a lot of mucus and crappy stuff coming out of your mouth. Just don't do it. Use the rocket blower. It's the best thing you can use. And obviously one of these glass cleaning cloths. Make sure it's nice and clean. Invest in some more if you can, because you're definitely going to need it. There's a lot of occasions that your lenses are going to get dirty, so definitely do it. All right, that's it for me, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like this video if you really could. That would be absolutely amazing. And if you haven't already subscribed, press the subscribe button. I would absolutely love for you to receive some of my new videos that come out, try and help you, and definitely help me out, you know, by clicking that subscribe button and obviously smashing the like button. And sweet, I'll see you next time, guys. Catch you later.